everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope everybody's having a great day. It's raining pretty heavy and with a lot of wind here in BC today. I hope you're having better weather than we are. If you're new to my channel, welcome in. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment is always appreciated. And make sure you hit the bell so you're notified of any new videos, and I normally do 1 to 2 videos a week. And if you're returning, thanks so much for your support. Alright, so I have another unboxing from Pandora. It's one of my not missing charms. Those have all been received. However, it's kind of strange the way that Pandora works. They don't send everything in one box. You get like 2 charms. If you order a bracelet, you may get a bracelet. So this is the continuation of either charms that were on back order or my bracelet that was on back order. So we'll see what I got. I'm not sure. Alright, got my blade, and it comes in a box like this normally. Alright, let's see what I got here. Alright, if I can open it. There we go, we're in. Okay. Pandora. It's got pink tissue paper. And let's see here. Okay, this is weird. These were my missing charms, my Merry Christmas charm and my Aquarius charm, but I had already received those, so I don't know what happened there, but anyways, they come in little pouches like that, and there's the other pouch there. And there's the pink Pandora deals there. Alright, and let's see what they look like here. Yeah, these are kind of hard to see because they're kind of small, but they're kind of cool. Ah, caught it. Alright. Alright, this one says Merry Christmas and it has little see if you can kind of see the lettering a little bit. It's kind of hard. I'll leave pictures of them. That's actually the best way to go. But these little Pandora things are kind of cool. I put those in my grandkids' stockings, you know, and then they can put little stuff in it. I think they're cool because they have Pandora. And I have 3 grandkids, if I didn't add that to my 5 things you didn't know about me. So I have Genevieve, I have Elena, and I have Iris. Alright, and this is my Aquarius one. This is kind of a cool one. Because Aquariuses are cool. They have nice stuff. Gotta love us. Nobody else does. it came with the Pandora and then the little hologram on the back, which is kind of cool. Let's see if it's going to focus. Yeah, I think you kind of get the idea. All right, that's my unboxing for today for Pandora. And I'm going to be, hopefully, I'll have the ones that were on back order next week. So we'll see how that goes. That's kind of sporadic. All right. So until next time, thanks for watching Susan from Senior Style from a senior point of view. Have a great week, guys. Bye-bye.